Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing two popular appointment scheduling tools in 2025, Booksy and Calendly. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or managing a team, these tools can make scheduling appointments easier than ever. But which one is better for your needs? Let's dive into it and find out. Booksy. Booksy is a scheduling tool tailored primarily for service-based businesses such as salons, spas, and wellness centers. Features: appointment booking with easy integration into your website and social media platforms. Allows clients to book, reschedule, and pay for appointments online. Automated reminders to reduce no-shows and manage your schedule. Offers client management, including notes and preferences. Supports group bookings and package deals for businesses with multiple services. Pricing starts at around $29.99/month for individual users, with tiered pricing for larger teams and more advanced features. Pros: specialized for service-based industries with strong booking features. Integrated payment processing for easier transactions. Good customer support and customizable features. Cons: may not be ideal for businesses outside the service industry. Pricing can get expensive for larger teams or more advanced features. Calendly. Calendly is a widely used appointment scheduling tool known for its simplicity and flexibility. Features: customizable scheduling with options for meeting types, availability, and time zones. Integrates with Google, Outlook, and Office 365 calendars. Offers features like automatic time zone detection, reminders, and meeting buffer times. Can handle one-on-one meetings, group events, and round-robin scheduling for team members. Custom branding and integration with Zoom, Slack, and other third-party tools. Pricing: free plan for basic use with paid plans starting at $8 a month for more advanced features like group scheduling and integrations. Pros: super easy to use and perfect for individuals or teams of all sizes. Flexible scheduling options for various meeting types. Affordable pricing, especially with a free plan for basic use. Cons: lacks some specialized features for service-based businesses, like Booksy's payment processing or client preferences. Advanced features can get a bit pricey. Conclusion: so, which is the best appointment scheduling tool for 2025? If you own a service-based business like a salon or spa, Booksy is likely the better option due to its focus on appointment management, payment processing, and client interaction. On the other hand, if you're looking for a simple, flexible tool for individuals or teams to handle meetings of all types, Calendly provides excellent value, especially with its free plan. Ultimately, the choice depends on your business needs and budget. Whether you choose Booksy or Calendly, both are great tools for streamlining your appointment scheduling in 2025. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions. See you in the next one.